I bet you are confused on what niche in graphic design to dive into. Well, in this video, I will show you the major niches in graphic design, and by the end of this video, you will know what niche you will dive into. Let's get it. Visual identity design, or also known as brand identity design, is the understanding of all type of design. Why? Because it has to do with the creating of all the visual assets of a brand or of a business and how they communicate the message you want the target audience to perceive or understand by using colors, images, and shape. And if I'm to place it in rank, I'll place it in the S class. Basically, in this graphic design niche, you have to learn typography, color, logo design, and at the end, create it for a business or a brand. Marketing or advertising design. This focuses on how you market or represent the brand using posters, flyers, poster card, and the rest of them. Basically, when people think of graphic designers, they think of them as people that create posters, banner, but they are more into it. Marketing designers are based on this to communicate what the brand or business does by creating posters, flyers, business card, and the rest. User interface design, aka UI design. Okay, this type of design has to do with the creating and the designing of simple and easy to use interfaces, like how the shape of the subscribe button will look when you hit the subscribe button. You get the point. It has to do with what design will make the user interact more with his or her device. And examples of what you will be designing is app design, game design, web page design, and the rest of them. Motion design. Motion design has to do with graphics in motion. This type of design focuses on creating graphics in motion that communicates to someone about a brand or what the brand does. To start diving into motion design, I will recommend you to have a little knowledge on the previous design we talked about and a knowledge on the animating software you will be using. You will be creating or designing animated logo, video advertisements, and a lot more. Packaging design. Packaging designers are designers that tells the consumer what the brand is all about through their products and how they package their products. In packaging design, you need to have or know a little knowledge on the brand visual asset, that is the brand identity design, and you need to know about print, that is creating ready files for the packaging to give to the client or to the brand. Environmental design. It is a niche in graphic design that visually connects people to places like office, roads, by making them informative for navigation and memorable. Examples are interior and exterior designers, signage aka road sign designers. And here, these are the major types of graphic design you need to know, but deciding which one to dive into may be confusing. I will advise you to go and do your researches and before diving into any of them. But if after all your researches you are still in confusion, comment on what type of graphic design you want to dive into, and I'll try my best to make a video about it. To know what type of graphic design pay the most, click the video on screen now or click the link in the description. Alright, I'm Frank from Ultra Design, and I'll see you in the next one. Shalom.